Imagine sitting in a hospital waiting room, surrounded by silence, the fluorescent lights amplifying the emptiness. This is where many journeys with breast cancer begin. Receiving a cancer diagnosis can feel like the ground beneath you has shifted. Life is suddenly divided into before and after. The initial shock can be overwhelming, leaving you with a mix of emotions and decisions. But there is a way forward, filled with knowledge, support, and empowerment. This video is here to help you navigate this difficult path, whether you're facing it yourself or supporting a loved one. A breast cancer diagnosis can be life-altering, but there are resources and support available to help you through it. Your medical team, especially breast cancer nurses, are lifesavers, providing personalized support throughout the treatment journey. It's important to ask your healthcare team questions and ask them to explain any confusing terms. Talking openly with your care team helps you make informed choices about treatment. This might include hormone therapy, targeted therapies, radiation, chemotherapy, or surgical, based on your cancer's type. Understanding the stage and type of breast cancer, as well as the diagnostic tests used, can help you make informed decisions about your care. There are different types of breast cancer. It can start in different parts of the breast, like ducts or lobules. The type of cancer, and the stage it is at, determines treatment options. Getting help from professionals is essential for both patients and family. Your medical team, allied health, mental health, or wellness all play a vital role. Although having a genetic test done is a complex decision, genetic testing can be helpful. It can show if you have genes that raise your risk of breast cancer. The more informed you are about your type and stage of cancer, the more empowered you are. Knowledge is power. Getting a breast cancer diagnosis can feel overwhelming. It brings a mix of shock, disbelief, and uncertainty about the future. Coping with uncertainty and fear is part of the journey. Remember, these feelings are normal and you're not alone. Building a supportive network and prioritizing your self-care can help you cope with the emotional and practical challenges of a breast cancer diagnosis. Feeling anxious is also common after a diagnosis. By focusing on supporting your mental health and physical well-being, you can help reduce this anxiety. Having a cancer diagnosis can affect mental health and increase your risk of depression. Reach out to a mental health professional if you feel you need support. Most hospitals provide counseling support services. Self-care comes into its own with a cancer diagnosis, and there are lots of things you can try as part of your wellness regime. Activities like meditation and yoga support your health as well as help manage stress and symptoms. Keeping in touch with family and friends is also vital for mental health and well-being. It helps prevent feelings of loneliness and depression. The feelings after a breast cancer diagnosis can mirror the 5 stages of grief: denial, anger, bargaining, sadness, and depression. By allowing your emotions to breathe, and by seeking support, you can cope better with the diagnosis. You can move forward with courage, hope, and resilience. Caregivers and loved ones also need to look after themselves and seek support. Receiving a breast cancer diagnosis can feel overwhelming, but having the right information can help you navigate this journey. Seeking out additional resources, such as support groups and clinical trials, can empower you to take an active role in your treatment and recovery. Start by looking at trusted sources in your area, like the Australian Cancer Council or BCNA, Susan G. Komen Foundation in the US, or Breast Cancer Now in the UK. They explain different types of breast cancer and the latest treatments. Trusted support groups can provide information to help you understand your diagnosis. Facing a breast cancer diagnosis can feel like your world has been turned upside down. The Roadmap to Resilience is a free resource to help you navigate your cancer journey. More than just a guide, the Roadmap is a companion. This thoughtfully crafted guide offers practical insights, information on treatment options, and heartfelt reflections. Whether you're looking to build a strong support network or seeking solace amidst uncertainty, this guide is designed to be there when you need it most. Understanding your breast cancer diagnosis is the first step towards taking control of your health. Your roadmap to resilience can help you every step along the way. Getting a breast cancer diagnosis can be tough, but you're not alone. Celebrate the small victories, and don't forget to take time for yourself. You've come so far, and you deserve to enjoy everything life has to offer. For your copy of Roadmap to Resilience, click on the link and find out more.